it once again.
This is me, guys. Just me taking a stroll down the falls. I'm just having a walk, bouncing my hair. I am loving it. It's such a peaceful place, very tranquil, very relaxing. There's tons of people, hundreds and thousands of people here. If you want it quiet, you can have it your picnic somewhere like here. Or if you are a more busy person, you can go to the restaurant, Burger King, McDonald's, whichever way you prefer. It's okay, it's okay. This is a nice place to take. I should give you a little view here, guys. Let me give you a little view. I'm gonna turn it around. Look at that view, guys. Isn't it beautiful? Can you see it, guys? I'm walking backwards. Okay, I'm going to turn it around and then I'm going to show you, okay? I'm gonna cut through the shortcut. So I'm not gonna go back that way. I'm gonna go this way. This is a little shortcut. And it's quiet and it's peaceful. You can have your picnic here, guys. Woo. You can lay in the grass. One time I remember I take a picture somewhere there. Or maybe close. This is the more relaxed side. Oh, I love this part. I love it. Hello. Can you tell me something nice about the falls? You're not on it.
Everything across the water here is all the states. That's the bridge right there that goes across the border.
Oh, so all right there is the state side, US side?
No, just see that bridge right there? Going across.
Oh, the iron bridge right there?
Yeah, the bridge right here going across. Everything on that side of the bridge is the US. Everything on this side, like right here, is
Canada, yeah. Right? Oh, yes. Our beautiful land. All right, bye. Here I am, guys. It's a long walk, guys. Wiping sweat. And this is a wishing fountain, or wishing well. I wish for prosperity, long life, health and strength, love, peace in the world, and that may we have a wonderful life, a wonderful time. And I am God-fearing, and I'm putting God first. Thank you, my peeps. I wish for peace and love. And there's bus, guys, if you want to take the bus. Guys, you must be wondering where my daughter is at. She's with Simone going on rides. So guys, I cut out the long road around here. Yeah. Where's Sunny? Where's Sunny? Busy in here, do a small.
Yeah.
How you know to find him? Where are they?
They come to me, then they.
Oh, she rings.
Alright.
Are you having fun?
I got a 10.
Are you having lots of fun, Javon?
just got 5.
Yeah?
I got 10.
Sonny, show them your slippers. Holy shit. Oh, there's so much fun.
I just played that one and I got part.
Yeah? Yeah. You want to go on more rides? You want to have more fun? Or you want to wait until tomorrow? You want to have more today? It's good? All right, go. Hi, Mr. Gold. Oh, Mr. Gold, man. Hello. alone cover the picnic them food. Not true. Just and tax the company and juice. You know, see you're in the empty. Look at a fine dining master. Look at. Oh, that's not bad.
Chicken finger $9.95.
That's not bad.
But I heard that they're expensive.
But we see. You're gonna check it and see.
They're big.
Wait.
Though.
Do we know where to write it? So do we know I do it?